Edie Beans with the Little House of Beans. Today on Cooking with Edie, we'll be making my grandmother's banana blueberry cake. I remember having this recipe, this cake, every Sunday morning when we have sleepovers with Grandma. The recipe and the links to the products you see me using here will be in the description below. Remember, subscribe to the Little House of Beans, smooshie that like button, hit that notification bell. It's the best way to keep our channel growing. We also have a Facebook group, Omnia Stovetop Oven Fans. Please join. We have a great community, great people sharing recipes and pictures of their delicious meals, menus, dinners, desserts that they make and bake. We do have a cookbook, Outdoor Cooking with Edie, available on Amazon and as an ebook. I am ready to make this delicious morning cake. Blueberries, bananas, and yogurt. Minimal ingredients, big taste. Let's bake. So I'm going to choose to use this Cuisinart hand mixer only because I'm lazy this morning, but you most certainly can beat all the ingredients together till it's smooth and combined. This Cuisinart is a backup to our KitchenAid, which is in our camper somewhere, but both work great. The links will be in the description below.